In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run Facebook ads for beginners in just 5 minutes. If you're new to this, don't worry, we'll break it down step by step. First off, before diving in, make sure you have a Facebook business page and access to Meta Ads Manager. This is your starting point without which you can't proceed with creating your ad campaigns. Once you're inside the Meta Ads Manager, your first task is to create a new campaign. Here, Facebook prompts you to choose your campaign objective. This is essentially a goal setting step where you determine what you want to achieve with your ad. Common objectives include awareness, traffic, engagement, leads, and sales. Be sure to align your chosen objective with your business goals and target audience needs. After setting your objective, the next consideration is your budget. You have the flexibility to choose between a daily budget, which is the average amount you'll spend each day, or a lifetime budget, which caps your total spending for the duration of the campaign. Carefully review your financial capacity and campaign goals to make the right decision here. Setting start and end dates for your ad is equally important. This ensures that your ads run during the peak times when your target audience is most active, enhancing visibility and cost effectiveness. One critical step, particularly for beginners, is defining your audience. Doing this thoughtfully will maximize your ad's relevance and minimize cost inefficiencies. You can segment your audience based on various criteria like location, age, and language, and also use more detailed targeting options or the Advantage Plus audience feature for a refined reach. Next, decide on where you want your ads to appear. Meta platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and Audience Network offer various placement options. For simplicity, beginners are encouraged to opt for the Advantage Plus placements. This automatic feature allows Meta to determine the best placements for your ads, optimizing performance and reach. Once placements are decided, it's time to design the ad itself. This involves three main components: the ad format, which is how your ad will look, the visuals, compelling images or videos that attract attention, and finally the text and call to action. This is where you tell your audience exactly what you want them to do, whether it's clicking a link, signing up, or purchasing a product. Finally, once you're satisfied with your setup and design, click Publish. Your ad will then undergo a quick review process by Facebook to ensure it aligns with their advertising policies. Monitor your ads closely once they are live to track performance and make necessary adjustments swiftly. And there you have it. This comprehensive walkthrough will get you started with Facebook ads in no time. Remember, practice makes perfect, so continue experimenting and optimizing for the best results. Stay tuned for more tips and guides on mastering Facebook advertising.